was it? Why would it be that?
Break that down. I mean, how is it?
Because I can't rap.
Because well, first of all, when you even look at like you look at like the you ever heard of what they call the red line? You heard of it?
You got to refresh me.
Red line is what banks use. It's what banks use to determine your interest rate. If you live in a certain district, your interest rate is higher than in this.
Well, yeah, I mean, for car insurance, if you live in like a worse place, yeah, if you're trying to insure
Okay,
your
well
car,
think
say-
about why do people now and it
More
just
like-
keep
most
going back.
likely to get
Why is
stolen.
that?
Because the
Why is
crime
that
rate's
place worse? You see what I'm saying?
crime
When
rate's
you
higher?
keep going back like that, you'll realize it's just like, well, first of all, a lot of black, and it started way back in the day. A lot of black people probably live by the railroad tracks. They live by the railroad tracks. They live by water. You know.
Black people can swim
But
now.
no, they live by, yeah, you're right, but they live by the water because it was the fastest way to get the fuck out of town when something goddamn break open. It was the fastest way, jump a train when it goes by. You know what I'm saying? It was the easiest way to get out. That's why when you always heard that saying, and if you're from the South, you ever heard they lived on the other side of the tracks. You ever heard that phrase? They lived on the other side of the tracks. That's why that phrase is like that, because that's exactly how it was. You might hear phrases now and not realize that's what it was about. But usually when you lived on the other side of the tracks, that's because it was poor. Well, that side of the tracks, the interest rate is higher. Just so happen black people live on.
Because the crime rate's
Yeah,
higher.
but you guys always have to realize that.
Okay,
Minorities.
okay. Now go back to the crime rate. and I know this is a racist dude who's racist as fuck, but he did make a point. Louis Farrakhan did make a point, and it was proven. The government, the one that put the crack in the neighborhoods to break up the Black Panthers. So when you start talking about the cause and effect, it still goes. Each cause go down to because the Black Panthers was getting big, and the only way get greed in. You put crack out there, and black people couldn't make a lot of. They have great jobs, but they can make money selling crack to each other. And it started like that. The same guy that founded
So you
Black
essentially
Panther,
ruined your own economy.
the same guy that founded the Black Panthers, Huey Newton, he died by doing the same thing that he preached against because he wasn't getting nowhere. He wasn't getting nowhere doing it. But Black Panthers, they were strong at one time. But that's how you destroyed them, and it was proven. Actually, it was proven because Louis Farrakhan tried to sue the government for putting crack in the ghetto.
I guarantee Black Panthers would have broke up anyway.
They probably
They
would.
were radical.
They would have, but they didn't know that then. But they was big then.
Because they
Or
broke,
Black Power.
they broke up the Ku
KKK.
Klux Klan.
No, Ku Klux Klan, all they do is wear a fucking suit and tie now. They changed that shit. They still there, they just wear the suit and tie. That's all. And they was talking about that years ago. I remember when they said that's how, because it was unacceptable in the United States. So what they did was basically change. Instead of being skinhead, let your hair grow out. Your value's still the same. You just look different. You can't be pinpointed out like that. That's the only thing happened to them. They ain't die out. They just goddamn wear suits and tie now.
Black people don't wear leather jackets and fedoras anymore.
My brother do.
Oh, well.
Yeah, ain't see if I got my brother always wear a fedora. That's his style. You know what I'm saying?
That was what the
Matter
Black,
of
that was what the Black
matter of
Panthers
fact,
wore.
what you said, leather jacket too, but my brother ain't like that. That was just a style. You know what I'm saying?
Cross, put